Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today I have a mind blowing fact to share with you. Did you know that a plant based diet can slash the risk of heart disease by a whopping 32%? Yes, you heard it right! So, if you're looking to boost your health and well being, stick around because this video is for you. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the benefits of different lifestyles. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based diets and uncovering the incredible impact they can have on your health and the environment. Get ready to be amazed by the power of plants. Let's face it, our modern diets, high in animal products and processed foods, are leading to a host of health issues. From obesity to heart disease and even cancer, the way we eat is directly affecting our well-being. But fear not. There's a solution right at our fingertips: a plant-based diet. By adopting a plant-based diet, you're not just cutting out the bad stuff, you're also loading up on essential nutrients that can transform your health. Think fiber for gut health, antioxidants for fighting off disease, and weight management that comes naturally when you fuel your body with plants. It's a win-win situation for your taste buds and your body. Now, here comes the game changer. Recent research has unveiled the groundbreaking benefits of a plant-based diet in preventing and even reversing chronic diseases. Yes, you heard me right. You have the power to take control of your health simply by switching to a plant-powered plate. The evidence speaks for itself, and the results are truly remarkable. To sum it up, making the switch to a plant-based diet isn't just about what you eat. It's about transforming your health and well-being from the inside out. From reducing the risk of disease to boosting your energy levels, the benefits are endless. So why wait? Take the leap and embrace a plant-based lifestyle today. I challenge you to try incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet this week. Share your experiences, recipes, and questions in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to a healthier, happier life. Remember, every plant-based meal you eat is a step towards a brighter, greener future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.